All right, court is calling 2024 CR 1983, State of Texas versus Ashley Draper Ward. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Oh, sorry.
For the defense?
Christopher Simpkins.
And are you Miss Ashley Draper Ward?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you entered a plea of guilty. The judge found there was sufficient evidence to find you guilty.
Quick breakdown here. This is a guilty plea with a plea bargain. That means the defendant is admitting guilt, but in exchange, the state is recommending probation instead of jail time. Sounds lenient, but here's the catch. One mistake, and all of this can unravel fast. Do you think probation is a second chance or a ticking time bomb?
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I believe she's motivated, she'll be successful, and she understands that she faces severe repercussions if she does not live up to her obligations. And that's what she followed the plea bargain agreement.
All right, Ms. Ward, do you have any family support?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, who's your support system?
My grandmother's.
All right. And do you have any children?
3,
Okay, what are their ages?
5, 6, and 8.
And who are they with?
My mother-in-law.
And have you had any CPS cases in regards?
This is where the courtroom tone shifts. When a judge starts asking about kids and custody, it's not small talk. It's about risk, responsibility, and whether this person can safely be in the community. Notice how calm the judge stays. But make no mistake, every answer here matters.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to a $500 fine. That's going to be probated. 4 years deferred adjudication and states you may continue to confer. There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order you to complete parenting classes.
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors.
That line right there is huge. No unsupervised contact with minors is one of the most serious probation conditions a judge can impose. It tells us the court sees potential danger, even without spelling it out. Do you think conditions like this protect kids or set people up to fail?
Management.
Yes, ma'am.
She's going to remain in custody for her Tacoma exam. And they say that's scheduled at August 22nd.
Yes, ma'am.
And we'll follow those, what their recommendations are. If for some reason she's not accepted, then we're going to do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. You're going to need to sign a release for any type of medical treatment that you're receiving. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be regular UAs, proof of employment, or SSI within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits, 1 time per month until she receives her case manager. And that's the case manager for mental health. Sorry, just let me check one thing. And also, let's do a referral to felony drug court. And we can also do a referral to mental health court and let mental health court know that if she is accepted to mental health court, the court will entertain a motion for new trial because they'll only accept her if she does not have a open probation case. And the reason why I'm doing that, I think that they will be able to address any issues you have weekly more than this court is able to do.
This is actually a rare moment of judicial flexibility. The judge is saying, if mental health court accepts you, I'll undo this case so you can get real help. That's not softness, that's strategy. Weekly oversight can be tougher than jail. Would you take this option if it were you?
No, Judge.
All right, is there anything else you need in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I'll move that.
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Don't use your mental health issues as an excuse. Do you understand? I understand mental health, but you were involved in a dangerous situation that could have ended very badly for you.
And here comes the warning shot. The judge acknowledges mental health, but refuses to let it become a shield for dangerous behavior. Courts walk a fine line here, compassion without excuses. Do you agree with the judge's approach, or does this cross into tough love territory?
All right, if you need anything, you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, what's in your ear?
Earplugs.
I'm sorry, oh, earplugs? Well, how are you able to hear with earplugs?
They're not very good.
Okay. How does she get earplugs at the jail, or do they make those? Okay, so here's the thing. I know at the jail, people make a lot of things, but all of that is considered contraband, and it'll get you in trouble at the jail, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Rick Contreras.
Much later.
Hello.
Hello.
All right. You have a choice today. Here's your choice, and these are the only two choices you have. You're either going to felony drug court, or the state will file a motion to revoke. I'll hear the motion to revoke. And if I find that the allegations in the motion are true, you're looking at 2 years in the state jail facility. Those are your two choices.
I'm going to show for it.
All right. Why do we need for you to come here to follow the rules that the court has set in place for you? Why do we need to have this conversation when all you had to do was sign?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I didn't intentionally miss. I don't know if I had to fold it or what, but I was really sick. I'm throwing up and
No, that's not what they tell me happened. They tell me you refused. It wasn't.
That's why I refused. I was really sick and I had been sick call, but they wouldn't call me out.
No, I don't believe you. Let me just tell you why I don't believe you. If a program has been ordered and you're sick and they tell you, oh, we need to see you today. What you tell them is like, I'm sorry, I think I have COVID. I can't see you today. I'm very interested in your program and I know the judge has ordered and I want to be in it. But instead, you didn't do that. So don't come to me.
This is the moment everything turns. Probation doesn't fail because of paperwork. It fails because of credibility. Once the judge stops believing you, the outcome becomes painfully predictable. Final question. Should the court still offer programs after excuses, or is prison the only option left?
Done with this, I will sing you. And guess what? I'll move on to the next person and see if they would like to be in programs that are presented for them. All right. Ms. Abrams, is felony drug court willing to accept her? All right, you're going to felony drug court.
Yes.